Nyama.
Get in there, Royal. Get in there. Keep going, Royal. Get in there, Dolce. Dolce, you keep balling up. All right now. All right. Get on up out of here. We ain't go in that room. You break it, you buy. You break it, you buy. Break you buy. And guess what? Them little motherfuckers, I'ma beat poop out there. All right, don't jump him no more. Bean, don't do my fucking bed like that. You so fucking move. I don't want to play, Bean, for real, because I'm on my cycle. Look, cause my laptop and stuff right there. Man, no, for real, stop. That shit hurt. Stop. I don't want to look for real. Stop. B, I'm not playing. That just hurt my leg for real. Move. That hurt my leg. Stop. You just hurting my leg, babe. No, I don't like that. Don't do that.
I'll pull your hair and everything.
Why would?
I'll pull this off. So I'll say I won't. I won't pull it. I won't pull this shit.
You will. You will. You is a big kid, bro. No, we're not watching plays. Let's watch a movie. Let's watch Who Cloned Tyrone.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
He's so fucking playful. Cause why would he try to pull my wig out now for real, knowing that was gonna embarrass me?
Thanks for tuning in to